Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today, I'm going to show you a handy trick that can help boost your productivity on Windows 10, creating keyboard shortcuts. Let's dive in. Method 1. Create a desktop shortcut. Open a command prompt window. You can get there by typing CMD into the search box and then right-clicking on Command Prompt and selecting Run as Administrator. Type Explorer Shell Apps folder at the command prompt and hit Enter. A window with a list of all your apps appears. Right-click on an app and select Create Shortcut. Click Yes when asked if you want the shortcut on the desktop. A new shortcut icon appears on your desktop. Right-click on the new shortcut icon and select Properties. Enter a key combination in the shortcut key field. The combination must be Ctrl plus Alt plus a letter or number. Here I'm using the C key for Chrome. Click OK. Method 2. Use the Start menu. By using this method, you can avoid creating a separate shortcut icon on the desktop. Open the Start menu. Navigate to the icon or tile for the app you want. Right-click and select Open File Location. A window opens with a shortcut icon. Right-click on the shortcut icon and select Properties. Enter a key combination in the shortcut key box. I'm using the O key for Opera. Click OK. Now let's see how they work. By pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus C, Chrome opens, and by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus O, Opera opens. And there you have it. Keyboard shortcuts in Windows 10 aren't just convenient, they're a game changer for your productivity and accessibility. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your computer, start incorporating keyboard shortcuts into your workflow today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.